Channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Isabelle cosplay makeup look from Animal Crossing New Horizons. Before we get started, yes, I understand that I am saying Isabelle from Animal Crossing New Horizons when technically this is her character design from New Leaf. Whenever I was putting this cosplay look together, I actually could only find the items to make her New Leaf outfit because no one had made the Isabelle shirt now, because obviously now if you search up, you can probably buy one from Hot Topic, which is really great. So if you just feel like switching up the shirts, you can definitely still use the same makeup look because the only thing that changed was her outfit. And of course I will have the links to all of the costumes, wigs, and contact lenses linked down below for you guys so you guys can put this together easy peasy. Like most of the world, I too fell under a rock the moment that Animal Crossing New Horizons was released. I'm actually someone who never played Animal Crossing growing up, which is absolutely absurd to me because I'm absolutely obsessed with it now, and I never played Switch before, so I literally bought a Switch just to play Animal Crossing New Horizons during quarantine, and it was my favorite pastime for sure. It definitely just kind of allowed me to have some time for myself and sit back and just enjoy a video game because I haven't really done that in a very long time, so it was really nice to be able to do that, especially with something as carefree as Animal Crossing New Horizons. And I fell in love with Isabelle's character, mostly just because she was so fun, and I immediately was like, hey, that's something I want to recreate on myself. Now of course there's so many other villagers that would have been fun to do as well, but this is kind of one that I was like, I feel like a lot of people might actually get some use out of this, so I thought it'd be fun to put together my own Isabelle Animal Crossing character for you guys to recreate yourselves. So anyways, with all that being said, if you guys would like to see how you can turn yourself into Isabelle from Animal Crossing, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to get started, I'm going to be taking some of my NYX Total Control Foundation in Porcelain and mixing that with some of my Moon Creations body paint in Yellow and White, and I'm going to end up getting this nice pale yellow color that is perfect for Isabelle's fur. So I'm going to be applying this all over my face using a large fluffy foundation brush. I always recommend using these for body paints just because it really helps take away any lines that you might get from a normal like paintbrush or body paint brush. This really just kind of helps buff and blend it all together really nicely. Next, I'm going to be taking my Moon Creations body paint in White and using just this color to highlight under my eyes. I'm actually going to be using, I believe this is like a nice contour brush, but it actually works nicely when highlighting under the eyes for body paints because it really helps blend everything together, kind of like the fluffy foundation brush did. And I'm going to be applying this around my mouth as well, just to kind of help give the illusion of the lightened area that she has around her mouth, but I don't want it to be too stark. I just wanted to give a little highlight around that area. Once you're finished, we're going to go ahead and set that with some Johnson's baby powder with a large fluffy brush, and then we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to start off by prepping them with my Smashbox 24-hour primer and just applying this all over my eyelid. To start off, I'm going to be taking my Be Perfect Carnival XL palette, taking Keen, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my eyelid. I'm then going to be making sure to blend out the edges so that way we don't have any harsh lines. I then went ahead and took some pink ice and I applied that onto the brow bone, and then once again you want to make sure to blend as you go, and I'm going to be going back into Keen and just applying that to my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills black liquid eyeliner and I'm going to be creating a nice bold wing. Once you're finished with the upper lash line, you're then going to be moving on to the lower lash line with the same liquid eyeliner and just apply this halfway on the lower lash line. This is really going to help frame your eyes, make them look a little bit bigger, and also make your face look a little bit more animated as well. You're then going to be taking a brown eye pencil and just going ahead and tightlining your lower and upper waterline. Moving on to the face again, I'm going back into my Be Perfect Carnival XL palette, taking Keen and Shuffle, mixing them together, and I'm going to be using this to contour Isabelle's face. This is really great because it's a few shades darker than the yellow that we have for her foundation, so it's really going to complement her face nicely. Now, as you can see, I'm also applying this a little bit under the nose as well, and this is also going to help frame her little white spot that she has around her mouth. Next, I'm going to be mixing some of my 𝐌𝐞𝐝𝐢𝐴 Pro Paint in Fuzzy Bear Brown and a little bit of my Moon Creations body paint in black so we can get this nice burnt brown color that we're going to be used to shade in her nose. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in, and then once that is complete, you're going to be taking some of your Moon Creations body paint in white and just adding a nice little highlight on the tip of the nose. For the lips, I'm going to start off by taking my ColourPop lip pencil in Beeper and outlining my lips, and then to fill it in, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop lippy pencil in Taurus and just applying this all over my upper lip and then bringing it down halfway on my lower lip. She has smaller lips, so I didn't want to fill in my lower lip completely. To top it off, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Mulan Collection Phoenix Luxe Lip Gloss and just applying this all over my lips. Next, we're going to be creating Isabelle's blush that she has on her upper cheekbone, so I'm going to be starting off by creating a mixture of my Moon Creations body paint in yellow, my Mare on Paradise paint in orange, and my 𝐌𝐿𝐼𝐴 Pro Paint in Magenta, mixing them together on the back of my hand, and then just creating two lines right under my eyes. I'm now going to be going back into my Be Perfect Carnival XL palette, taking Keen and just applying this lightly on top of that blush to help mute it a little bit. And I'm also going to be taking Basic and just lightly outlining this with a very thin brush, just so we can really kind of help make the blush stand out a little bit more. Next, we're going to prep our eyelashes by curling them before going in with our Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping this through our eyelashes. And last but not least, I'm going to be taking my E&E lashes in Cherry and just popping this on to my upper lash line. And there you have it, that is my completed Isabelle cosplay makeup tutorial from Animal Crossing New Horizons, or New Leaf, whichever you prefer. Thank you guys so much for watching, I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. A big thank you to all of my Patreons, I really appreciate all of you. If you want to join my Patreon, feel free to click the link in the description box. You can join for as little as $1 a month for some fun behind the scenes and sneak peeks on upcoming makeup looks. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!